Hello everyone, welcome back to QA functional testing series. My name is Gunjan and this is day 6. In today's video, we will going to learn about severity and priority, their differences with the real life examples. So now, first we will understand what is the severity. Severity defines how serious the bug is and how much it affects the application functionality. Higher severity, the greater the impact on the system core behavior, and it is checked by the tester or the QA team. For example, application crashes login after login. This is high severity because major functionalities is affected and user can't proceed at all. Now we will understand what is the types of the severity. Severity is classified into the four levels based on how significantly a bug impact the application's functionality and the user experience. First is critical, and second is major, third is minor, and like last is low. So let's understand these types. So critical: application crashes, data loss, system is completely unusable. Major, for example, important features are not working, significant functionalities is broken. Minor is small functionality issues, limited impact on overall uses, and low is UI and the spelling mistakes, cosmetic issues with the no functional impact. Now we will understand what is the priority. Priority defines how quickly the bug should be fixed. It is driven by the business need, deadlines, and the user visibility rather than the technical impact of the defect. It is decided by the manager, client, and the team lead. For example, spelling mistakes on the homepage before the product release needs a quick fixes because all user can see it's, even though it doesn't break any functionality. Now we will understand what is the type of the priority. First type is low priority. It can be fixed later. Doesn't affect the current release. Second is medium priority. It will be fixed in the normal release cycle, planned and the tracked. Third is high priority, which will be fixed immediately, critical to business or the user experience. So now we will understand difference between severity and priority. Severity impact of the bug on the functionality, whereas priority is urgency to fix the bug. Severity is decided by the tester, but priority is decided by the manager or client. Severity is related to the application functionality, whereas priority related to the business need. Severity is the technical issue, whereas priority is the business issue. Now, we will understand what is a case study about high severity plus low priority. A crash occurs on the rarely used page deep within the application, while the defect itself is technically seriously, the business impact is minimal. So severity is high because the application crashes completely on that page, and priority is low because very few users even navigate to that feature. Now we will understand low severity and high priority. There is a spelling mistake in the logo. For example, we will understand use the real life example, payment crash, high severity and high priority. Second example, button color mismatch, low severity but low priority. A button appears on the slightly different shade than the design specification. Third is typo on the homepage before release. So it has low severity but high priority. The spelling mistake error on the homepage before launch. So cosmetically minor but highly visible. Must be correct before the going live. Now we will understand and revise important interview questions. What is the severity? Severity shows how serious the bug is, but priority shows how quickly the bug should be fixed. Who decides severity and priority? Severity is decided by the tester and QA. Priority is decided by the manager and client based on the business requirement. So that's all for the today's video. If you find this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe.